Welcome to Silver Gardenia, the only homes that transform lives. Conveying a sense of tranquility, this modern living room highlights a breezy blend of elements required to feel aesthetically pleasing, convenient and easy to maintain. This room is extremely spacious that works in favor of the stunning living room design, making it look alluring and majestic. Set in the corner, the dining space makes the look complete. You can always add decor items to enhance the beauty of this area. With natural light flowing in from the large window and accentuates the spacious feel of this modern space. Light and bright, what makes this low-maintenance living room come to life and look more spacious is the natural light that flows in from the terrace. This modern kitchen design has a subtle elegance to it. The kitchen design is multifunctional with a separate washing area divided by a wall. Flooded with ample natural light, it is exactly the kind of kitchen a family that cooks together is looking for. As you enter this master bedroom, you realize how cozy spaces can go a long way in creating a sensual experience. The attached balcony brings in the right amount of energy into this room. This is a well-lit, spacious bedroom, specially designed for maximum comfort. If you want to create a soothing space for your sleep, this bedroom is just perfect for you. This modern and spacious kids' room caters to all the requirements of your multitasker child. The natural light streaming in from the large window and the ambient lighting brightens up the space adequately. Furniture can be thoughtfully placed to create ample open space to play, seating spots, book corner, and storage space for toys and more. A sleek room with a spacious layout is a must. This well-planned room is compact and serves its purpose. A multi-purpose study unit can be added with a drawer and an overhead cabinet for storage. With sufficient natural light coming in from the window, this bedroom is well lit. It is easy to maintain and conveniently designed. Effective space utilization is at the heart of this modern design bathroom. The wash basin attached separately to these spaces won't make you wait and will save a lot of time in day-to-day hustle. This beautiful bathroom is low on maintenance and designed for convenience. Smart living, smart designing. Why not have an extraordinary lifestyle at Silver Gardenia? This is the ideology with which we have delivered, thereby enabling every aspiring consumer to fulfill their dreams. You can reach us at the given numbers and mail ID. Looking forward for you to select the best crafted homes for the most desirable experience.